Hey there, how's it going? This is Mr. Kieffer. We're going to try to get a cat to go skiing down a snowy slope today. And so this should be fun. Make sure to sign in and then go to create. And I tell you, this is a fun program. It's free and you can have all sorts of fun with it. I actually the other day made a paddle move back and forth and the ball bouncing on top of it, or you move the paddle to hit the ball. It's pretty fun. I'm not sure if we'll get to that, but at some point maybe we will. But today, let's go ahead. I'm going to get rid of this so I can see what I'm doing better. We'll keep the same sprite that they provide for us, but we do want to get a fun background. And so the background that I'm looking for, and this, I think you will want to use this background, is called slopes. So you'll come here, you'll click on that, and we'll have the cat right there on the slopes. And I think it would be good to go ahead and try to put the cat up on top of the slopes, right about there. And so that will be our starting point, or thereabouts. And so let's go ahead and get started with the events. When the flag is checked, we will make something happen. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that the cat starts at the same place. So we'll go to motion and go to. And we've got that set at about 207, 154. We can do that. That should be fine. Or we can change it to a minus 197, and we can go to a 149 for the Y. So X would be minus 197, and the Y would be 149, a positive. And then what we're going to do is we're going to use the glide. And this makes it pretty interesting. So we're going to have it glide to certain positions. So it goes down to a certain position. So we'll go to this position, and then it will glide after that. And so let's go ahead and have it glide down to, and it'll take 1 second to glide. You could change that so it either glide faster or slower. But let's put that down as negative 165. And the Y would be a 140. This is something I've just done with trial and error, and you can change these numbers and get the cat to do different things. What I'm trying to do is get it to go down there and then back up here. And so we've got that one done. Let's go to glide it again. We're going to do this several times, and we'll go to a negative 38 and a negative 49. Now you can move the cat and get it to go to different places, and then you can figure, oh, I want it to go from here, down to here, down to here, down to there. And that's exactly what I did in order to get this to work. And so we'll just go ahead and just keep gliding it along until we get it to go where we want it to go. Now we couldn't just hit. There we go, and it goes back to the beginning. So let's see here. We want it to glide down there, 49, and then we want this to go to 92 and negative 81, and we'll just keep doing this. So let's see. Okay, good. So the Y is going down, down, down. It was way up here at 149, and it went down, and now it's going down. Eventually here, it's got to go back up if we want it to go back up here. And so we're at, let's go ahead, we're at 9. So this is going to be 165. And the Y is going to be 52. So now we are starting to have it go back up. So it's going over to the right and then back up. And then let's do one more glide. And you could try, like I mentioned, you could try different numbers. It doesn't have to be the ones that I have chosen, but this will at least give you an idea. 211, and then we will go to 55. And you can always just keep trying this and see what happens. So let's just nice. Okay, awesome. So that's about what I wanted to happen. I do want to go with a sound. We'll make it start and play this until done, this meow sound. So that'll be fun. And then let's go to making it size. We want to change the size. So we'll repeat this. Whoop. Where we go? Change the size. Let's go to repeat. There we go. We'll make that 2 and set the size to 120. Set size to, let's make that 125. And then we'll wait 2 seconds, or we could wait 1 second. I'll just leave it at 1 second, see what happens. We can always change it later. Set the size to 100%, so it's back to its original size. So we're 125 to 100%, and then we will wait 1 second as well. Wait 1 second, put that in there, and let's see what this does. And see, there's one nice thing about being able to do this in Scratch. If you don't like it, you can change it. You can start all over. It doesn't make any difference. So let's just go ahead and hit this. See what the cat does. Slides down the hill, goes up the other hill, and meows, gets bigger and smaller, and there you go. And that's the whole program. That's awesome. So make sure to title this skiing. Whoop. Skiing. Whoop, whoop. I'm not sure how you spell that, actually. We'll go with skiing cat like that. And now it doesn't show about where to save it. So what we're going to do then is we'll go to File, and you'll go to Save Now. So go ahead and Save Now. And it's saving the project. The project is saved. And then after that, make sure to share it. So we'll share the project. And congratulations on sharing the project. So it was actually shared, and that's good. So we're good to go. Thanks for listening. Hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, of course, you can ask me when we get together on our meets. See you later. Bye.